What's up guys, and it's time to talk about Huawei. Huawei has already launched their two foldable phones. Although the Mate X is just a refined version of Huawei Mate X, but they're also working on Huawei Mate V, a flip-like foldable which we're gonna take a look at sometime in the future, so be sure to subscribe for that. But today, we have a breaking news of Huawei's next tablet-like foldable design, the Mate X2. We already know the next foldable phone from Huawei is going to be an inward folding instead of outward folding of Huawei Mate X. But now Ross Young has revealed the details and design of the upcoming Mate X2, which might very well be the perfect foldable phone. So this is it, this is how it's gonna look. The main display will be the same 8 inches made by BOE and Samsung display, which also make it the first non-Samsung phone to have a Samsung made foldable AMOLED display. There's also that small strip on the side, kinda like the original Mate X, housing a 4.5-inch small display, more like a Galaxy 4 Lite, to just pick up calls and see time. And on top of it, you'll find dual front-facing cameras. On the back of it, there's going to be a quad camera setup coming at 40 megapixel main, 40 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, 12 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a time of flight sensor. So very interesting design indeed. The main thing here, if you want to use, you have to unfold it just like the Samsung Z Flip foldable. But you know, the most dramatic feature of the Mate X2 is that it supports Huawei's M Pen stylus. This is indeed going to be the perfect rival to the Z Fold 2. Initially, Z Fold 2 also expected to have S Pen support, but later Samsung scrapped that idea because of the durability concerns. But now Huawei has somehow managed to not just support M Pen with foldable, but also make its place inside the phone, much like Samsung's Galaxy Note lineup. This is indeed the perfect execution of foldable with stylus support. And you know what more crazy is that it also supports a flex mode, aka 120-degree mode, and you can see it as a laptop. I just want to see Samsung's DeX-like rival here work in the laptop mode. That would be super crazy, to give you both tablet and laptop mode in a foldable with a stylus that will fit inside a phone. Now there are also rumors that we could see under display camera in this small strip of display, but again we are not sure. Maybe we could see side mounted fingerprint like the original Mate X. Now if you don't know, so the Huawei Mate 40 devices is said to be the last flagship Huawei devices to use their in-house Kirin 1000 chipset based on a 5nm architecture. But Ross Young believes Huawei has enough Kirin chipsets ready to use Kirin 1000 with the Mate X2, also making it the first foldable to have 5nm processor. Hopefully there is also going to have a 120Hz or 90Hz refresh rate, since it is packing a huge 6000 mAh cell with a crazy 65 watt of fast charging technology. And looking at the upgrades, I don't think so it's gonna cost less than $2000, but again I'll leave it up to you what you think, how much should it cost, and also let me know, is it going to be a serious competitor to Galaxy Z Fold 2 with Huawei M Pen support? Let me know, wanna hear your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.